Matthew chapter 23. Jesus come tell the people and him disciples say, "Na the law teachers and Pharisee people they talk wetin Moses law mean. So make una listen and do wetin them they tell una. But no do wetin them they do, because them no they do wetin them they teach. Them they put heavy load for people's shoulder, and them no ready to help them. All wetin them they do na make people foresee them. Them they tie things where them write God word put for their forehead and hand, so that people go see them. Them like better place for party and better chair for inside synagogue. Them like make people they greet them with respect for market, and make people they call them teacher. No let anybody call you teacher, because na only one teacher una get, and all of una na brothers. Make una no call anybody for this world papa, because na only one real papa una get, and it dey for heaven. Make you no let people call you leader, because na only one leader una get, and na him be Christ. The person wey big pass among una go be una servant. Anybody wey dey carry body up, God go bring am down, and anybody wey no dey carry body up, God go raise am up. But e go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una close door make people no for fit enter God kingdom. Una self no want enter, and una no want make others enter. E go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una dey use long prayer cheat women wey their husband don die. Because of this, God go punish una well well. E go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una dey travel go everywhere just to win one person come meet God, and after una don win am, una go come make am bad well like devil pikin, pass as una be. E go bad for una wey dey leaders wey blind. Una say anybody wey take the temple swear, nothing go do am, but if he take the gold for temple swear, curse go dey for him head. Una be fool wey blind. Which one big pass, na the gold or the temple wey make the gold holy? Una dey teach say anybody wey take the altar swear, nothing go do am, but if person take wetin dey for the altar swear, he must do wetin he talk. Una blind oo. Which one big pass, na the gift or the altar wey make the gift holy? So anybody wey take the altar swear, na both the altar and everything wey dey inside it take swear. And anybody wey take the temple swear, na both the temple and God wey dey stay inside it take swear. Anybody wey take heaven swear, na both God throne and the person wey sit down put it take swear. E go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una dey give 1 out of every 10 things wey una get, but una no dey do the important thing wey the law talk, wey be to give correct judgment, to treat people well, and to do wetin dey good. Una suppose to dey do these things join the other one. Una oga wey blind, una dey remove fly from una drink, but una dey swallow melu. E go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una dey wash cup and plate body, make them for clean, but bad belle and long throat full inside una. Una Pharisee people wey blind, make una first wash inside the cup, then the outside go clean too. E go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una be like grave wey fine for outside, but the person body for inside don rot ten. Na so e be with una too. For outside, una be like good people, but for inside, na wayo and sin full una life. E go bad for una wey dey teach the law and una Pharisee people, una wey dey pretend. Una dey build grave for the prophet wey don die, come decorate coffin for people wey fear God. And una say, if to say we dey alive for our grandpapa time, we no for help them when them dey kill the prophets. So na una grandpapa them kill the prophets. Make una go finish the work wey una grandpapa them start. Una be snake, wicked snake children. How una go take escape hell? I go send prophets, wise people, and law teachers come meet una, and una go kill and nail some for cross, flog some inside una synagogue, then pursue the others from one town go another. So all God people blood wey una kill for this world go dey una head. From Abel blood go reach Zachariah wey be Barakaya pikin wey una kill for inside the temple. I tell una true word, people for this generation go suffer the punishment for these things wey una do. Oh Jerusalem people, oh Jerusalem people, una wey kill the prophets and stone the people wey God send come meet una. I don dey try to gather una children as Pharaoh dey gather him children under am, but una no let me do am. See, from today go, una go scatter and una house go empty. Make una know say una no go see me again until una go say, make God bless the person wey come with God name.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.